Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Good. So today is Friday, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Friday means Sunday.
Sunday,
Actually,
Monday.
this is Sunday, but we don't follow them. We are our mercy. Yes or no? Why this is Sunday? But one thing you do know, why this is Sunday? Sunday is holiday, that's why they say Monday. Understood? But our week begins from Sunday. So Sunday is more Lord day because lots of work you have to do. Otherwise, Pandu or Punde Bhai or what things are there many more, right? I could remember your Cobra style also is there, right? Yeah, I remember. And next thing, when I was teaching in one school, once I just pulled them here like this saying, Changa. They remember, Sir, Changa. No, Changa. Panga. Okay. Students, now without wasting time, let's discuss what are we going to discuss, right? Basically, we are going to discuss about the astronomy. What is that? Astronomy. So in astronomy, we discuss about planets, stars, comets, etc. And it is a complex science, right? Science. And here you can see. What can you see? The moon is revolving around the sun. What are they saying? They are getting confused. The moon is revolving around the or what? Around the earth. That's right. Okay. So this is based on phases of the moon. What is that? Phases of the moon. You know, what is blue moon? Have you heard? In a month, there are 30 days, sometimes 31 days, sometimes 32 days, right? So, generally, there is one full moon, one new moon. New moon means moon is not visible. It is completely dark, right? Like this. You understood? And if the month contains two full moons, right? If the month contains how many full moons? Two full moons. Then what is it called? That second full moon is called blue moon. Very lovely name. We say full moon means that is Purnima, right? Full moon means Purnima. And new moon means Ausi. We don't say no moon, new moon, right? And actually we follow Hindu religion, and if we just talk about on which day or date we are born, then we can find out. No? Like I was born in Panchami. Right? Or next example, let me give you. We celebrate Guru Puja or Guru Purnima on Purnima. Yes or no? Like Lakshmi Puja is there, no? Lakshmi Puja in no new moon night or new moon day, Ausi. Like Durga Puja means we just put that main tika of the sign in Dasami. Isn't it? Like how do they count? Pratipada, Ditiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Sashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dasami, Ekadasi, Dwadasi, Trayodasi, Chaturdasi, either Purnima or Ausi. It comes alternate. What was Pratipada to Chaturdasi is same. Okay? It is counted like that. Or like we celebrate Ram Navami when? On Navami Tithi. Navami. Chaitya Dasai means in Ashtami. Fulpati, that is in Saptami. Yes, sir. Like now, one festival is coming nearer, Nag Panchami. When? On Panchami day, right? Then next is Janai Purnima. When? Purnima. Kuse Ausi. Aushi. It comes like that, right? Just you remember. Actually, this Aushi, Purnima, they are connected with phases of moon. Phases of moon. Sometimes the moon seems completely round in shape. Sometimes it is not visible, right? If it is in round in shape, that is called Purnima, right? We can say full moon. What is that? Full moon, complete moon. And sometimes there may be half moon. Sometimes very small portion is seen, crescent moon. Sometimes not full, not half, or even more. That is called gibbous. What is that? Gibbous. In that way. Now, students, see here. This prototype, this experiment shows Earth, our planet. What is this? Moon. Moon is smaller heavenly body. That's why it goes around the planet Earth. And Earth is smaller heavenly body in comparison to Sun. That's why it goes around the Sun. Isn't it? You notice here. This is Earth. This is Moon. What happened to Earth? Earth is rotating. Moon is rotating as well as revoluting. Revoluting means is going around the Earth. Now here we have to remember, like we know day, we know night, or we know year, right? In one day, there are two parts, right? Day as well as night. Like today is 13th of Shravan, means now we are in day part of this day, right? This date, let's say. And after some hours, I think it's it is 15:58, means nearly 4 o'clock. After 4 hours, then we will enter in darkness portion, that is night. But somewhere else they will have daytime. It goes like that. Actually, why does this day and night occur? Because of rotation of Earth. See here, in next example we can see. Yeah. Suppose this is Sun. Sun is here. What is this? Earth. Is the Earth rotating or not? Earth rotates from how? West to east. West to, not east to west. West to east. That's why in eastern side the sun rises fast. Western side sun rises a bit slow. Like when you talk about Japan, they are very lucky to see sun earlier than us. But American government, they will see a bit late, right? Now it's here near about 4 p.m. and in that side there is 4 a.m. Near about 12 hours time difference is there. Yes or no? So this is rotation of Earth. The part which is facing towards the sun has day, next part has night. And how much time does it take to complete one rotation? 24 hours. Means it is actually 23 hours, 56 minutes and 13 seconds, isn't it? But we just say approximately how much? 24 hours. Now let's discuss here. Oh my God, we are very lucky. Aren't we very lucky? 2 hours are rotating over here. See? Yes or no? 1 hour is just down. We are just stepping on it. So we are very great, aren't we? My goodness. One rotating here, this going on here. It's just like Hindi movie, no? In Hindi movie we have noticed. In some movies I have seen 3-4 same characters. Like brother, brother, father, son, this, that. There is some those jokers, they used to be like that. Johnny Lever had got 4-5 similar characteristics in one film, I don't know. And my father, he said. And they later on they say their father was a playboy. Wherever he has gone and married with some ladki and brought up a baby. That is movie actually. Right? So now I am going to tell you 2 months. What am I going to do? 2 months. I am not going to say that Boisak, Zeta, Asad. I am not going to say January, February, March. these months are very important. Later on we have to study in our chapter the universe about the moon. How far is the moon from the earth? How far is it? Don't you, sir? This one only. The distance between moon and earth is 3,84,000 kilometers to 3,86,000 kilometers. Interesting. Why did I say two? Sometimes the moon comes nearer to the earth. Sometimes the moon goes up a little bit far away from the earth. That is the difference between their distance. So we can say the moon is near about 3,85,000 kilometers far away from the earth. That is average we are taking, right? And the moon goes around the earth. That time is called sidereal month. What is it called? The time taken by the moon, remember it, the time taken by the moon to go around the earth is called, what is it called? Sidereal month. Sidereal month's value is how much? 27 1 by 3 days. 27 1 by 3 days. Means 27 days, 8 hours, let's say. Isn't it? And the moon rotates itself also. The moon rotates. So the time taken by the moon to rotate once is called synodic month. What is it called? Synodic month means time taken by the moon to rotate. How much time does it take to rotate? It takes 29 and half days. 29 and here we have to keep in mind the sun goes around the earth faster than it rotates. It rotates very slowly. That's why from the earth we can see only one part of moon. We cannot see both parts because it rotates very very slowly, so that only one part faces to earth, next part never faces. I say 2 months. What are they? Sidereal month and synodic month. Sidereal, time taken by the moon to go around the earth. Please remember it. Sidereal, side, side. Time taken by the moon to go around the earth. It takes 27 1 by 3 days. It rotates, means revolves around the earth faster. Time taken by the moon to rotate once, to complete one rotation is called synodic month. Synodic month is equal to 29 and half days. Actually the duration between Aushi to Purnima or Purnima to Aushi. No, one Aushi to another Aushi or one Purnima to another Purnima. That is called synodic month. What is it? Okay, because that is around 30 days or not? 15 days. There are Pratipada to Aushi, again 15 days Pratipada to Purnima. It is like that. So you can see here, what can be seen here? Half white, half but black. Let's go over this side. What is here? Which one is white? Which one is black? How much is black? How much is white? Equal or less white, more black. You go to the next one here. Black means this is new one, right? Completely black. If there is completely black, here must be completely white. Remember? A completely white or not? So this day is full moon day. What is it? Purnima. And this is Aushi. During Aushi, no light of moon comes to us. Actually, moon does not give any light. Simply it reflects sunlight. It reflects sunlight, that's why it is visible. Isn't it? So it's just going on like that. Only one part of the moon faces towards us, and These are called phases of moon. What are they called? In phases of moon, what do they come? New moon, crescent moon, half moon, right? Gibbous, and then full moon. Gibbous also two types. Waxing means increasing gibbous, waning, decreasing. Waxing gibbous, waning gibbous. Waxing crescent, waning crescent. It comes like that. Understood? So that is all for today. Okay? Thank you.